Rastafari, live it every time. Yeah, I chant a song and I worship the Most High. Ja Rastafari, yeah. Yeah. I pitch a tent. I pitch a tent cause I not pay no rent. Me say not pay no rent. I pitch a tent, I not pay no rent. Not pay no rent. Hello? Denise. So you come to camp with I?
Yes.
Yes, I'm not telling you what I'm going to know. So what I'm going to know, you see? Me now have to tile it up here. What come from the earth, go right back to the earth, right? Yeah. No internet, no running water. Alright, nobody pass out till I just saw it going at the hills, you know? No TV, no electricity. Yeah, I just light up a lamp still.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah man, that's how us live, you know. Yeah man, natural, I have a party some peanut. You know? Yeah man, a peanut like a party.
I'm sure it's hungry.
Yes.
Peanut for dinner?
Yeah man, parch peanut man, the best thing that I parch from peanut man. Yeah, oh
Be
no want.
careful.
I don't want a cake. I don't eat egg, you know, but I can make you know, a coconut cake. You want a coconut cake? Yeah man, I can make that man. Yeah man. Yeah man, that's how I deal with it, you know. Yeah man. I just grate at the coconut, you don't grate at some coconut and you know. Some nutmeg and thing. Yeah man. And I use the sea salt. Yeah, I mean I make you know a cake. Yeah, that's the supper, you know. I don't eat out of plastic, you know. Yeah, my plate they make out of wood or iron, you know. Yes. Alright,
So where do we take a shower out of?
Like this is your patch, you know. Come here, man. Come in, only come on, yeah, man. Yeah, this is how auntie prepare for you, you know. Yeah, man, you can go on back over the house.
Thanks. Thanks.
This is weird.
Yeah.
Peanut for dinner? A wagwan?
Look. Clap.
Yeah, man, it's time for the cake go on.
I want the piss. Go.
Yes.
We're in the tent.
Yeah, it's like a little house or something.
Oh, we're in our pajamas and we're gonna go to sleep.
Yeah, it's nighttime. All the way.
Oh, but it's supper time. That cake, remember that coconut cake? Yeah, man, it's ready, you know. Yeah, the coconut cake ready so you can have supper and thing, you know, and make yourself comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get a piece of cake and eat still, you know.
Yeah. Let me get our bowl. Okay, here we go.
Morning, man, morning. It's time to go make breakfast. Come on, man, wake up. Hey, come. Wake up, man. Come on, man. Farm this, you know. That's my sugar cane when I plant, you know. Yeah, and that's a sweet potato. Over there's an Irish potato. Yeah, I have all a pineapple plant, you know. Yeah. This is my merengue plant. Merengue, you know merengue? Yeah, man, that's good. Yeah, boom, boom. Ginger, papaya. Yeah, pineapple. Oh, you know pineapple?
Where's Auntie and what is this? Oh, the sun is so bright. I can hear those roosters. Oh my goodness. Oh, look over there. What's going on?
Yes, so I cook some peanut caramel porridge, you know? Yeah, so that I deal with. Some peanut caramel porridge. So I put in the caramel, you know, and stir that. Yeah. And then I go in with the peanut then. Right. But with myself, I know that me really a deal with still. I go deal with some idols too, you know. Yeah, some celery. Yeah, and zucchini. Yeah, and some pepper. Yeah, that's my thing. Yeah, so that make me go on with my thing. Yeah, man, just cut them up and wash them off. Yeah, this is my breakfast, you know. Yeah. Right? I mean, I put 2 cinnamon leaf in my porridge, you know. You know? Yeah, man, it's a command, see it there? Yeah, man, peanut cornmeal porridge, yeah. Yeah, so this is what I do for a living, you know. Yeah, I paint and do artwork, you know. Yeah, right now I'm painting a Rasta color basket. Gonna be red, green, and yellow. Yeah. And you know, black coffee in it too. Yeah. Yeah, I do some tie and dye, you know. This is what I do for a living. Yeah, and some carve work. Yeah, and this is gonna be a green tree. Yeah, that's what it represented, a real green tree. Yeah. Yeah, man, so that's my way of life. Other than my farm, you know, I plant everything that I eat. I eat what I grow. And I grow what I eat. Yeah, and when there's oversupply, I give away to my friends. But this is my way of life. I give away the food free. Yeah, Rastafarian. This is my style. I just move there, so I just claim that spot there and work my style. Yeah, Rastafarian. Yeah. We have a cute little basket here. Yeah. This is a Rasta daughter, you know. Yeah, it's a baby. You know? Yeah, and this is a Rasta man from Bobo Hill where I paint. Yeah, this is a salt and pepper shaker. Yeah. This is one of my carve works too. Yeah, I was trying to draw the great Bob, you know. Yeah, this is my painting of Bob. Yeah, Rastafarian. Yeah, this is one I tie and dye, you know. And we are go straight back to Africa. You see the animal them, the tiger and the zebra, snake. Yeah. Yeah, this is my animal print from Africa, you know. Yeah, the breeze now work with me still. Yeah, that little tie and dye thing, you know, I'm going to give it to one of my niece them when she are going back still.
Auntie the Anton!
Yeah, so this is how I set up my style, you know, because I have to survive, you know. Yeah, seeing survival is a must. Yeah, this is a mask, you know, it's a Marley mask, you know.
What is that? What is all that stuff?
Listen, this is my style, you know. Rastafarian set up our establishment, you know. Yes, one of my little Rasta youth here when me paint, yeah. This is a baby with a guitar. You know who is this? Who is this?
Bob Marley.
Who is it?
Bob Marley?
Yeah, that's Bob, a picture of Bob. Yeah. Here's a little tie and dye shirt, you know. Yeah. Yeah, these are some of the things that I do. Yeah, and a green tree.
That's what Jamaicans do.
Yeah, the painting. Right. Jamaica. Yeah, it's Rasta Anton in the place, you know. Yeah, I'm a idol Rasta woman, you know. Yeah, Rasta Anton. Oh, them a eat pork and I think you make joke, but me no wanna pork. Me no wanna pork. Hey, burn out this wine them, me no wanna pork. Me say them a eat pork and I think you make joke, but me no wanna pork. Hey, me no wanna. Hey, me no wanna pork. Burn out this wine them, me no wanna pork. Baby, don't worry
About the thing.
Cause I know that
every little thing is gonna be alright.
Yeah, man.
I wake up this morning, wake with the rising sun, three little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melody clear message to you. Baby, don't worry about the thing.
I bet you don't
Every
worry.
little thing
It's
can
gonna
be
be alright.
alright. I wake up this morning, wake with the rising sun.
Three little birds
And my doorstep,
swinging
sweet
sweet
song, melody clear and true. This is the message to you. Baby, don't worry about the thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. I wake up this morning, wake with the rising sun. Three little birds on my doorstep,
singing
sweet songs, melody clear and true. This is the message to you.